Tax settings. Let's configure your tax settings. This is another important first step that affects your financial compliance and reporting. If your business deals with VAT, sales tax, or any other tax obligations, you need to set this up correctly from the beginning. Don't worry though, it's straightforward. Let's get it done right. From a settings sidebar, click on Tax Settings. Perfect. You're now on the Tax Settings page. This is where you define all the tax types your business needs to handle. Why is this important? These tax rates will automatically apply to invoices, expenses, and other financial transactions throughout Resourceby, ensuring your accounting stays compliant with tax regulations. Look at the simple table in front of you. It shows a list of all your configured taxes. You'll see columns for the tax number, tax name, rate percentage, and action buttons for editing or deleting. In this example, there's already one tax configured, VAT at 15%. That's perfect for South African businesses, as 15% is the standard VAT rate in South Africa. If you're operating in South Africa, this is exactly what you need. Now let's add a new tax. Click the yellow Add Tax button at the top. Great! A simple pop-up form has appeared with just 2 fields. This is beautifully straightforward. First is tax name, marked with a red asterisk, so it's required. This is where you enter the name of the tax. For South African businesses, you typically enter VAT for value-added tax. If you operate in other countries or have other tax obligations, you might add entries like income tax, sales tax, GST, or whatever applies to your business. Use clear, recognizable names that match your official tax obligations. Next is rate, also required. This is where you enter the percentage rate for this tax. For South African VAT, that's 15. So you'd simply type 15 in this field. No need for the percent symbol, just a number. The system understands this represents a percentage. That's it, 2 simple fields. Once you've entered your tax name and rate, click the yellow Save button at the bottom right, or click Cancel if you need to exit without saving. Excellent. Your new tax is now added to the table. You'll see it listed with its name and rate, and you have edit and delete options available. Here's why this matters. Once you've configured your taxes here, they become available throughout Resourceby. When you create an invoice for a client, you can automatically apply VAT. When employees submit expense claims, they can indicate which items include VAT. When you generate financial reports, the system knows how to calculate and display tax amounts correctly. Everything flows from this simple configuration. Your tax configuration is now complete and ready to ensure your financial transactions stay compliant.